Here's how I created my dream superhero using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. Firefly Image 3 makes it so easy to bring your vision to life. The structure and style reference tools allows you to upload your own images to generate high quality results based on your references. This eliminates any trial and error of different prompts and ensures the final images are more suited to you and match your style. For my superhero character, I wanted to create a guardian of the sky, and since my last name is Bird, it only felt fitting for my superhero to have the ability to channel the power of birds. So I brought my images into Photoshop, knocked down a wall and started to build my images outwards with my stock. I used generative fill to add a little motion to the cape and bring some atmosphere to my photo. Now I could start fine-tuning the image and bringing in my city element. I decided I wanted a more dramatic sky, so I generated this using Firefly. And since I was already using Firefly images, the quality matched perfect with my edit. And finally, for my superhero, it was only right to summon all of the birds for this photo. So I found this stock and blended it into my artwork. Here's the final result, I hope you like it.